National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
2 miles per hour wind gusts.
County in northeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, central Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Grant Park, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Moments, Morocco, Lake Village, Ruth Lawn, Hopkins Park, Mount Air, Fair Oaks, Park, Sumava Resorts and Fair. Including the following interstate: Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 215 and 234. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.